The HIEHA E-Bike. Is it worth getting? What does it stack up against competition? I'm going to show you guys right now. Starting from the very front of the bike, it does have an LED adjustable headlight you can adjust the tilt on. Front and rear fenders are going to keep all the road dirt off you, the mud, the moisture. 4-inch wide nubby tires, great for off-road, on-road, snow, ice, mud, water. Dual fork hydraulic front suspension absorbs all the road blows. So you're not getting worn out, you're not taking the beating, the suspension is doing it for you. 7-speed Shimano shifter, so whether you're using pedal assist or you want to ride it like another bike, 1 easiest to pedal, slowest speed, 7 hardest pedal, top speed. The right side is the rear brake on the brake lever. The left side is the front brake. Disc brakes front and back. 48 volt 15 amp hour battery that is removable. That's the only thing you need the key for. Nitrogen filled rear monoshock coilover. Also is adjustable. It's a true 2-seater. This does come with it. It's not a separate purchase. All this to install it is 4 cap head screws, 2 on each side. 330 pound max weight rating, 30-degree incline climbing capabilities without pedal assist. Out of the box, top speed of approximately 34 miles an hour, depending on your weight, size, and terrain. And a riding range as far as 70 miles on a single charge. The speed charger that it does come with can charge the battery from 0% to 100% in between 5 and 6 hours. It does have the rear running light, tail light, turn signals, and brake light. So this is 100% 50 state legal, no questions asked, on or off-road use. So bang for your buck. These are normally $1,600. Right in that link, which is an affiliate link, you can snag these up for under $600. That's over $1,000 discount. And at that price, I would rate this a 10 out of 10, and I'm going to link that down in the description below. So make sure you guys like this video and subscribe for more product reviews.